This tutorial shows how the signal from the ultrasonic distance sensor is used to activate a warning sound on the speaker. The aim of the program is to simulate a car parking sensor system. It uses the ultrasonic sensor to find the distance of a near object and makes the speaker beep when the object is less than 20 centimeters away. The beep rate speeds up as the object gets even closer. We begin in design mode by selecting the speaker from the outputs gallery and the distance sensor from the inputs gallery. Click on the sensor and set the start value to 50. This is in centimeters. We select a signal control module to build the program that will detect the close object. The program script appears in this panel. We give the module a label. Drag a link from the When tab to the sensor and set the condition to is less than 20. Then drag a link from the Outputs tab to the speaker. The dialog lets you choose musical tones. We only need a beep, so let's choose the note B and make it short with a duration value of 2. We drag a line from the Until tab to Time to show the duration in seconds. Now we add another instruction to create a pause. Drag a line from Until to Time to make this half a second. Let's switch to Run mode to see how this works. We vary the distance like this. Now let's refine the beeping by speeding it up as the distance gets smaller. We return to design mode and change to the system view where it is clearer to see all the connections. To vary the beeping speed, we will use a variable to control the pause time. This will be calculated from the distance using a calculation module. We give the variable the name interval. Drag a link from the Calculation tab to Distance and build the formula which divides the distance by 20. Go back to the first module and make the pause time equal to the value of interval. Now the program is complete and we can see how it works in run mode. Here it is in the scene view. Finally, the program is sent to the microbit.